Hey folks, Adam here, and I'm on the PalFish website checking out all their cool learning materials. But even better, I have this. This is their new lamp that I absolutely love. Now, this gives you 360 light. It goes up and it comes down, and this is perfect for reading and for learning. So if you've got a kid that you want to make sure is able to read a book without eye strain, without doing damage, without that nasty blue light, this thing is certified to help them out. Now, the color spectrum we have here gives you true color like you wouldn't believe, and it's absolutely awesome for studying, for work, for you, for your kids, and everyone in between. So let's go ahead and check it out, kick it off right about now. So what makes this so great, so perfect for your children that it will illuminate their future? Well, first and foremost, it gives a full spectrum of light, ultraviolet, visible, and infrared lights. The illumination on this is fantastic, and without getting into the tech, it keeps the color range about 4000 K, which is perfect for the human eye, and the color rendering index is about 100 RA, which will restore the true color to objects. Yeah, so you're getting exactly like something should look, as if it was at a museum. Now you've got the adaptive ambient light, the extra large luminous space underneath, the high CRI, the high light pole, perfect in the solar spectrum. And you know what? This is a high standard desktop illumination device that's going to give you perfect reading area for your kids. Put their teddy bear on there in a book and they're going to have a great time. In fact, there's going to be no dizziness when looking directly into it. And it's going to diffuse multiple light sources. There's going to be no shadows, right? This thing is fantastic, and it's great for your eyes. It has that body sensor to where it's going to automatically switch on and off slowly when you leave. That way you don't ever have to touch anything. Museum grade, true color, anti-blue light certification. On top of that, you got a strong, stable base. The mini transformer is portable and safe. The touch panel, and yeah, this is aviation grade aluminum, sturdy and not going to tip over. So in case I have not made it abundantly clear by reading books under this, this is not just for kids. The whole family can use it for their reading and for their eye health. Of course, it's fantastic. And that's why I would buy it, because it gives a nice even light over your desk or over your chair, and you can read or your kids can read. It's also a great lamp to be used at night, and at 9,500 lumens, that's like 5 times more light than a single lamp on a headlight. So you're getting a lot of light, perfect for night use before you go to bed or before the sun comes up in the morning. So of course we love the motion sensor. We love that this is aviation grade aluminum. We love that this is a sturdy base that's not gonna tip no matter how much we're pushing on it, and that it is designed to go right under furniture where you can put a chair directly under it. You're gonna have a minimal amount of shadows because this is raining straight down on their book, and I absolutely love it. So, the best thing about this is it's eliminating the eye strain, making it easier to do more homework, do more reading, and it's designed with your kids' delicate eyes in mind, but don't think that you can't use it too, because it's probably really good for you as well. The brightness is perfect for reading. This is one that's going to keep you stimulated and keep you going. So, the motion detection, fantastic. The easy buttons here, very nice as well. And the fact that this is energy efficient and designed for perfect colors, great reading, and low eye strain. None of that dangerous blue light like I said before. So folks, my question is to you, why haven't you picked it up? Go ahead into the description below. This is a great holiday idea. This is a great New Year idea and a great school year idea. So any time of year, you're gonna be very happy with this perfect purchase that I love, and I think you're going to love as well. So again, high quality, durable, reliable, good on the eyes, and gonna give you a rich spectrum of lights to where it's really gonna make those books pop without the shadows and things of the sort. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and pick one up. You won't be disappointed. I'm Adam. We're talking about the best of the best so you can forget the rest. And this thing is absolutely fantastic. Go check it out. Goodbye, my friends.